Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel Tech Reptile. Today I am going to show how to sync a GitHub account with a PyCharm. This is very interesting. And why we use Git. I have said about the version control in my previous video, which link is given below in the description box. So please check about the version control. That's why I am using Git. So let's go. How can I use Git with PyCharm and what is the benefit using Git? Let's go. At first I have need to download the Git setup file for Windows, which link I will be given in my description box. Let's start PyCharm. While we are using Git, we will no need to carry our physical hard drive or pen drive to keep our any source code of any file. We can put any file like text file or Python file or Java file, even HTML file, any type of file you can put on GitHub. That's why we are using Git in our practice. It is not possible to lose our any file while we are putting our all file in the GitHub. That's why we use Git, and we can access anywhere in this world in our file, wherever your location. So let's do it. Before that, we have to wait until the download is complete. We have to click on close project. Then the PyCharm will start from the beginning, and here we have set the three options. First one is create new project. While we are creating a new project in our local directory, that means in our local computer directory. Second one is open, which is used while we are opening our existing project. And the last one is version control, which I am going to use today. So please follow me. So our download is completed. I am going to that folder where I can find that git.exe file. I just double click on it and try to install in my computer. I just keep as it is. Now I am going to GitHub site to sign in my Git account, which account I already created in my previous video. If you any confused, please check my previous video. Here I just put my email address, or you can put your username. I have need to verify this device, so I have need to go to my mail. My Git setup is already completed, so I just check out this box, click next. So friend, after sign in my GitHub account, I have just create on the button create repository, because I am going to create a repository on my GitHub account. I have need to write a repository name like demo pygit. Just I put this name. There's two options. One is public and another is private. If I select the private, then you will need to pay something for this. So I just click on the public. Click on the create repository. My repository already created. This is my repository name, demo pygit, and here I can write some code like create a new file. Because there is no file in my repository, I just want to create a file on my repository. To create a new file on my GitHub repository named demo.pygit, just click on the create a new file, and I will need to write a file name just like demo.py because it will be a Python file. And here I will write some code like print. After coding or typing something here, you have to save it. But how can I save it? To save this file, you need to go to preview section, and here is a button named commit new file. I have just click on this button. Look at this. Here is my GitHub account Tech Reptile, and this is my GitHub repository, and within the GitHub repository demo.py is the Python file which I have created. If I click on this file, then it will be open, and you can see the code which you already written in this file. This is that file. Okay, now I'm going to my PyCharm, where already I have discussed about 3 sections. I am going to the version control section. If I click on this, then it will ask for a URL. But where is the URL? Go to my GitHub account again and click on the repository, and after clicking that, I just click this tab which is named code. After clicking, the drop down menu is shown where is a link or URL. I just copy this link and go to that window and just paste here. And this is the another directory which is located on my local drive, and click on the clone. After clicking clone, okay, after clicking the clone, I have just got that folder or repository which I have created in my GitHub repository, which is named was demo.pygit, and within that repository I was created a file named demo.py, and which I can see here. Okay, this is the beauty of using GitHub or Git. Okay, I can run this code here. Just go to run, please select the demo. Here asking me a Python interpreter. I just select this. In my drop down menu, I just select this option, then apply and run. Okay, the output is here. If I want to write some code, and you can run again, and you will see the output here. But if after run this code, will I see this line in my GitHub repository? Okay, let's check it. This is my GitHub repository demo project, and there is the Python file demo.py. No extra line is here. So what should I do now? After coding this, you have to go to save your code in GitHub repository, you have to commit first from your PyCharm. How can I commit this? On your project name, just right click on it and go to the Git section, and you will get the commit. Just click on this. It asks me a description. I can say the description of commit section will be a meaningful, because after committing, anyone can see your code in the GitHub directory and anyone can understand the file is created by whom. That's why you have to need the meaningful description on here. Now I just click on commit. Now it is saying to log in my GitHub directory. So I just keep it the name as it is. You can change it is, and here is the email by which you create your GitHub account, and click set and commit. And here you will get a message, one file committed. This is created by TechReptile. Okay. So after committed, I won't be able to get this file on my directory. See again, this is my repository, GitHub repository. If I will refresh this page and go to this repository and open this file, still the code is not here. So what should I do now? After committing, you have to go again your project and right click on it and go to the GitHub section, and you will need to go to the repository under Git and click on push. And finally click push. Now it is saying to log in your GitHub account. My username was okay, and see that message, post one commit to origin to master. After post my committed file, I can check on my GitHub repository. So I have need to refresh this repository and click on the file. That's good. The second line is here. That means I am success to push my GitHub repository. Now, if I have another project on my local directory, like just open my previous project. This was my previous project, test project, which I have created while I was installing the PyCharm. Select this, and I can open this window or in new window. Just click on new window. That's good. Here I can see my code, just one line of code, hello world. I want to this project push to my GitHub directory, but how can I do this? And click on the setting of PyCharm project. And go to the version control. Here we can get Git. I put my email address here. And password. Click login. apply and OK. So now I'm going to VCS and I'm going to the VCS tab, which is version control service. Under the tab I can get import into version control and I will get share project on GitHub. Please click on this and you can write a description here, test, and click on share. This window says what do you want to share or not. If you unchecked anything, then it will not be shared on your GitHub account. You can change your commit here. This is the commit message and click on the add. So the message is successfully shared project on GitHub. So now I can go to my GitHub account. Look at that. I pushed my existing project on GitHub. Here you can get everything. It is the virtual. This folder is created for virtual environment, which I have said in my previous video. And this is the only one Python file I have just created before. Click on that to see what code is written on it. Yes, I can get this code. So that's all about how can you push your project on GitHub account and how can you pull your project from the GitHub account. So guys, I think you like this video and please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.